Here's the tow mirror, the back of them, the marker lights. This is on my 2016 2500 Chevrolet. As you can see, I've got a couple lights burn out. Anyway, we're going to replace these with some white lights, and they blink amber with the turn signals. These do not blink with the turn signals. You get the lights here on the inside that blink, but these do not blink, and we're replacing them with some lights that do blink. This is what the stock lights should look like when they're all working. I don't care for the lights, so we're changing them out. Here's the white running lights, marker lights on the back of, I've already replaced the driver's side. Just to give you an idea of what we're looking for. This is what they're going to be like running down the road. Now with the turn signal on, it blinks on the inside of your glass. These lights, these are switchback lights. They will blink with your mirror light. It's going to make it a lot easier replacing these if you pull your mirror out. Just gives you a little more room to work between you and the vehicle. If you have to, swing it back a little bit. We're going to have to take out the top mirror and the bottom mirror. To do this, tilt your mirror in, push up with your thumbs, tilt the mirror back in, and it should just come out. And you got two wires on the back of your top mirror. You've got the heated mirror. You're gonna have these two plugs. This here is your wire for your turn signal in the glass. You're gonna take all three of these loose. Now lay your mirror somewhere where you're not gonna step on it, either on a workbench, set it in your seat, tray, just don't set it on the ground. Here's the lights that we're gonna be adding. I got these off Amazon. I'm gonna put a link down in the description for them. So if you wanna check them out, get your own. They're LED. Now to get the bottom mirror out, just gonna, I like to work it a little bit. You're just gonna have to slide your fingers down behind it and pull. If you do break it, you can get these at your dealership, GM dealership, or probably get them off Amazon. Now we're gonna have to take this whole shroud off. You got 5 screws, 2 right here in the corner, 2 up on top in the corner, and 1 right here. All these screws are the Torque T15, so you will have to have a Torque T15 to get all the screws out you're gonna have to take out. It's the only tool you need. Carefully wiggle the housing loose. Now you got 1 wire for your backup light on your mirror here, so unplug that. Now your turn signal, you've got 2 screws here. Your marker light, this has 2 screws here. I'll show you here in just a minute when I get these 2 screws out. It's just a screw there and a screw there. And your marker light plug is right here. It's kind of hard to get out. got a little rubber boot over it. But if you pull the rubber boot back, you'll see a little tab you can push in with your thumb and then pull. And this is your light. That's where it plugs in. Mine did have a little water in it. Looks like there's a little bitty crack, so I don't know if that's what caused the bulbs to go out. Now your new light, it does come with a little wiring harness. It's kind of a Y, and this is what gives you the turn signal part. So remove the plastic covering, and these are smoke. I ordered the smoke ones. Now you'll notice on the back of your new light, it does have a wire, plus it has the original plug that this plugs into. So this is what is going to wire into your mirror turn signal to give you the turn signal on this switchback. So with this pushed out, just slide your new light in and try to line the screw holes up where the two screws go, and pull back nice and tight on the back side of your mirror. We're going to go ahead and put the two screws back in that hold the light in. We're just going to run them up nice and snug, not going to over tighten it because this is all plastic. I don't advise using an electric screwdriver or impact wrench because we're messing with plastic here. Now we're going to go ahead and plug the marker light plug back in. Got that plugged in. Now we're ready to install the mirror shroud by plugging the backup light in first and running your mirror heater wires through, plus the other two wires, the red wire and the black wire. Okay, we're ready to add the 5 screws, the 2 in the corner and the 1 in the center. So we're just going to put the mirror back up. And it should pop in from the top and the bottom. It'll hear a pretty good pop. Move the mirror around a little bit to make sure it ain't loose. Your turn signal wire here coming out of your mirror is going to plug into the big square white one on your wiring harness. Now the 2 black ones are going to plug in to each other, and then your spare white one where all the wires come together will plug into the back side of your mirror. So the back side of your mirror is going to look something like this. The big white one goes into your 2 lead wire coming out of the back of your mirror. It plugs in, then where the wires come together goes into the back of the mirror. The single black one comes out, plugs into the new wire that you added from your new light. And then you want to plug in your heated mirrors. And tuck your wiring back in the best you can. You're still going to have some wires sticking out, but place your mirror in to get it back in. It's going to be real close up the top. Push in. And then you're going to want to pull down to get it locked in. There's the turn signal. It's what you call the switchback. They look a lot better now that they blink. Now we'll turn the marker lights on. They should be white. Now look at them. They're white instead of amber. And with them turned off, they're smoke. They kind of blend in with the truck now. They ain't got those funky amber lenses. So I'm going to leave a link down in the description. Get your own LED switchback lights. They do blink when you turn the turn signal on. If you've got the original tow mirrors that have the LED turn in the glass, they will work. I'm Redneck in a Hat. Catch me on the next video.